Okay, go ahead and start by putting your hair into a low ponytail and use a hair elastic that's similar to your hair color. Then make an opening above the ponytail and take the ponytail and push it through the opening. This is called a topsy tail. And after you've pushed the ponytail through the opening, go ahead and tighten it and then brush it out. After this, you're going to curl it, and I'm going to show you how. So take some small sections of hair, and you're going to use about a 1-inch or smaller curling iron. And you just go ahead and curl the hair, but make sure to include the ends. So don't leave the ends out because that gives it a messy, beachy look, and we want it to be more like tight ringlets. So I'm going to show you how to do that curl. So take your small piece of hair, take the curling iron clamp all the way down, roll it up horizontally. So you want to keep the curling iron horizontal here and let it sit for a few seconds before you release it. And after you release it, don't brush out the curl, just put a lot of hairspray in, and that should last you for the show. And the reason why we're doing the topsy tail ponytail instead of just a regular one is that it helps your hair lay flat so that you can wear a hat or a headpiece or anything needed for the show.